Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with her weekly video.
Let me show you something.
Hi, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet, and I'm just back to do my first video of 2021. Woohoo! Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I have some happy mail that I'm going to open up. I finally got it. It was sent to not my place of residence. That's what I have on my community tab. It's another place that I frequent. Let's just put it that way. And I will open that up. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what I'm working on. And this is a request that I got from one of my subscribers. Her name is Sharon Motley. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Sharon. Or Motley. I'm pretty sure it's Motley. She wants me to make a tutorial on some cafe curtains. And I started doing the pattern that I think would be perfect for cafe curtains. I actually need them myself personally, so I'm working on that tutorial for you, Sharon, and anyone else who's interested in making cafe curtains. I mean, the beauty of crochet, you can make just about anything, right, that you can think of. So I'm working on that tutorial. I haven't forgotten about you, Sharon. It's just been, life gets in the way. So I'm working on that. Hopefully, keep my fingers crossed. I'll get that out hopefully next week on my next weekly video. And also, I want to propose a crochet along that if anyone is interested, I can share patterns that I have collected over the years. And this one here that I'm going to show you, it's called the Juliet dress. It's actually, I want to start a thing called Vintage Wednesdays maybe, or something like that, and do maybe show off a pattern that I want to work on. And if anyone's interested, I would love to email it to you because I have it. It's a free pattern that I have acquired all these free patterns. Vintage, I love vintage crochet. It just reminds me of, I guess, my childhood and times when we didn't have all this craziness in the world that we're dealing with now. And it was just, I don't know, it just, when I look at these patterns, it's just like, oh, I love them. I love them. So I don't know if anyone is interested in maybe doing that, crochet alongs. And there's no prizes or anything. We can just compare what we've done with these beautiful vintage patterns. If you're interested, I'll send you the pattern. Whoever is interested, let me know. And then I'll start doing that as well. So I think that will be a lot of fun to do this year. Anyways, I did get some happy mail. I picked this up on Monday, and it's from a fellow subscriber, and she's also a fellow Canadian because I see her name here. And I'm pretty sure it's it's a Christmas card. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, that's what it looks like here in Canada. Very snowy. I grew up with that. I love it. I love it. It's just that the winter's so long. But yeah, maybe I should just get out there more and get more into the snow because we have more snow than anything else pretty much all the year. Aww. So this is from my friend Nancy Strand. Oh, I better not show you her address. She says, "Hi, Teresa. Warm moments made into lasting memories. Wishing you and yours a Christmas to cherish. 2021, all the best, Nancy." Aw, thank you so much, Nancy. You are so considerate and thoughtful. I love it. It's beautiful. So, yeah, so that's what I have for today. Okay. I have another happy mail. I almost forgot about this. This is from my good friend, Dailene James. She gave me this gorgeous Christmas card, and she gave me a beautiful gift. It was something that some work that I did for her, so she just gave me something for that. So, isn't that gorgeous? It says, warm holiday wishes. And these cute little stockings with these little fringy things on it. It's so pretty. So she actually gave me some money and she said, please buy yarn. Much love. Enjoy the wonder of the season. And then she wrote me a beautiful note. So anyways, Dailene is somebody that I work with. And she just started a YouTube channel. And she needs subscribers. She needs supporters. So this is a shout out for my friend Dailene James. So please subscribe to her channel. She's hilarious. She is a real estate agent. She does other things, but ultimately she wants to get into the real estate field. But her channel is not just about real estate. She wants to make it about a lot of fun things that she does on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to leave her link below. So please show her some love and go visit her channel. Subscribe to her channel. I think you'd enjoy her content. She's hilarious. I love her. So Dailene James, this is a shout out to you. I love you, my sis. And yeah, so that's my other happy mail. Just a few things. And let me all know if you're interested in doing the Vintage Wednesday crochet alongs, and then we can just maybe do, I don't know, maybe every other week, depending on the pattern. But I do want to do this Juliet dress. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I would love it. I'd love to do it. So let me know if you're interested in that. And if you're new here, I would encourage you, if you like the video, if you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe. That's the ultimate thank you to me. So I just want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.